Imagine turning every click into cash effortlessly. Today, I'm revealing secrets top marketers don't want you to know about creating affiliate marketing funnels that work while you sleep. Miss this and you're leaving money on the table. In the world of affiliate marketing, your landing page isn't just the welcome mat, it's the gateway to your success. Picture this: every visitor lands on your page, curious, hopeful. Here's where the magic begins. Your landing page needs to speak their language, offering them exactly what they're searching for, and maybe even a little something extra they didn't know they needed. But how do you transform casual browsers into keen subscribers, or better yet, into loyal customers? The secret lies in the art of the lead magnet. Think of a lead magnet as that irresistible freebie, maybe an exclusive ebook, a captivating webinar, or a discount code that's too good to pass up. This is your golden ticket to capturing their email addresses. Now you might wonder, how do I get this golden ticket into the hands of my visitors? Enter the unsung hero of the landing page, the form. A beautifully designed form positioned strategically on your page can turn visitors into a goldmine of potential leads. It's not just about asking for their email. It's about making them an offer they can't refuse in exchange for that golden nugget of information. Remember, the goal of your landing page is twofold: to dazzle them with what you have to offer and to gently guide them down the path of becoming a subscriber. With a well-crafted landing page, a compelling lead magnet, and an irresistible form, you're not just building a list, you're building an empire. Now think about your own experiences. Have you ever found yourself happily exchanging your email for a must-have freebie? What made you click the subscribe button? Share your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Tired of delaying your financial freedom? Overcome procrastination with the Passive Profits Blueprint mini course, tailored to shift you from planning to action. This course teaches you to build a passive income stream quickly and effectively. Learn to achieve your financial goals with clarity and confidence. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Visit digmarketing101.com/course now. Access your blueprint to success and start your journey to financial independence today. Imagine this. You've entered a world where every email you send out is like a tiny salesman working tirelessly on your behalf. 247. The powerhouse behind this efficient workforce: email automation. Now, if you're dipping your toes into the vast ocean of affiliate marketing, mastering the art of email sequences is akin to finding a treasure map. It's not just about bombarding your subscribers with endless promotions. It's about nurturing a relationship with them, providing value, and making relevant offers that resonate. Here's how you break it down. Start with a welcome series. This is your first handshake, your chance to make a good impression. Introduce yourself, tell your new friends what they can expect, and perhaps most importantly, deliver on your initial promise, that lead magnet they signed up for. It's your first step in building trust. Next, consider segmentation. Not all your subscribers are the same, so why send them all the same message? Use the information you have about them to tailor your emails. This could mean segmenting by interest, previous purchases, or how they found you. It's like choosing a gift that you know the recipient will love. It shows you understand and value them. Now introduce educational content that gently guides your subscribers towards your affiliate products. This isn't a cold sell. Rather, it's sharing insightful information, tips, or stories related to the product. Make it about them, how this product can solve a problem they have or fulfill a need. Gradually include soft pitches for affiliate products in your emails, always focusing on how it adds value to their lives. Remember, every email should offer something, whether it's knowledge, tips, or product recommendations. It's about creating a balance between giving and taking. And finally, analyze and adapt. Keep an eye on your email's performance. Which ones have high open rates? Which links get clicked the most? Use this data to refine your approach, always aiming to better serve your audience's needs. What's crucial to understand here is that email automation is about building a journey for your subscriber where each step adds value and gently nudges them towards those affiliate products you believe in. It's not just about the sale, It's about the relationship and the value you provide along the way. Have you ever subscribed to an email list and found yourself looking forward to the next email? What made it stand out to you?